that's enough of the silent movie business. What I'm demonstrating here is a fantastic product that was sent to me by Quintcraft, Lucy Quinton. It is a pouch to keep your meal warm while it's rehydrating. I've used it for a week, and to be fair, I'm absolutely amazed with it. What I find is it allows you to let the meal rehydrate for longer, which seems to make the food a lot tastier. So next. Right, so now we are 15 minutes later. Get the pouch. Put it down. Open this up. Give it a good stir. Oh my days. That looks incredible. So what I've been doing all week is actually eating my meals out of the pouch. So just folding the top down and eating them. And that means you don't have to worry about eating them before they get cold, because they stay warm for ages. I'd like to recommend this product to anybody who's looking for a meal cozy, and I know a lot of us use dehydrated meals. The meal tonight is real Termat chili con carne, and hopefully it's as nice as their reindeer stew and their chicken curry. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Lucy Quinton of Quintcraft for providing this product for me to test, and I'd say to anybody who's looking for one, buy one. They're fantastic. You will not regret it. They can be used for other things like keeping batteries warm in winter. So when you've finished eating your meal, you can take the pouch out, put your GoPro or your phone or battery banks in there, and they will stay warm for hours, which will stop the batteries depleting. It's an incredibly well made product from a small, I think, what would you call it, cottage craft business, and I'd be really great if you guys gave us some support. Thank you very much, Lucy. Brilliant product.